Hello everyone, do you know where we are? From Bangalore we came to Chikmagalur on a weekend trip. So let's show you our room. It's very pretty. Look at these chairs. These are all our bottles and what we bought from Bangalore. And look at here. There's a world map. Not world map. Here are places to visit. Where we can visit in Chikmagalur. Many lakes. We visited one of the lakes today. Yes. And this is the cozy little bed. And this is the power, means where you scan and open it. These are all the switches, telephones and the lights. So this stuff is all the cupboards and the bedroom and all that, suitcase and all. This is the bedroom. Now here the other switches are for these lights. Now these are the things like which they've given: kettles, milk powder, tea powder, and the bottles and our things as well, watches. This is the TV and the TV remotes. Now these are all the lights which are looking so cute. That's what I was saying in the beginning. And that's the picture which they have given. So now let's see our room. This is our room. The same things are here. Chairs, a bed, and this is the outside. And it's looking so bright, even though it's fall. And this is the bed. That's the another picture which is a mountain and clouds. These are the chairs and the bed. And this is the mirror. Big mirror in both of the rooms. I can see myself. And look, my mama is pooped out here. And this is the lights. Those are the lights. Like the bed lights and all those. These are the up. That's the fan which is looking very variety than ours. That's these are the curtains. That's it in our room. Bye. So let's show you our outside. I was saying bye in the room. Let's show our outside. I'm not going to disturb anyone.